Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today we will learn how to make shoe flower or hibiscus flower with duplex paper. Please like and subscribe my channel. Red duplex paper, green duplex paper, green duplex paper, cotton thread, floral wire, pollens, glue, green floral tape, red duplex paper, scissors and GI wire. Take red duplex paper, fold it and cut it in petal shape as shown. Stretch the petal as you see in this video. Curl the petal with the help of scissors. Make 5 petals ready for making one flower. Take green duplex paper, fold it and cut it into a leaf shape as shown. Stretch the leaf and curl it as shown. Take polens and tie them to one end of the floral wire with cotton thread. Now cover the floral wire with red duplex paper except the pollens. Cut one side of a green duplex paper in zigzag pattern to make flowers sepal. Take the petals, arrange it and attach them with glue as shown. Now take the pollen stick and keep it in the center of the petals as shown. Fix the pollen stick with cotton thread. Stick few rounds of green floral tape under the flower. Take the flower sepal portion and arrange it at the bottom of the flower. Start covering the GI wire with green floral tape. Attach 2 leaves to the flower stick as shown. Start covering the GI wire with green floral tape. Our shoe flower or hibiscus flower is ready to decorate. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.